Thanksgiving. Easy English for language learners. What is Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is maybe you said holiday in Canada, a time to celebrate, a day to give thanks, or maybe you said something else. What day is Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving is the second Monday in October. The date changes every year. In 2022, Thanksgiving is Monday, October 10th. How do Canadians celebrate Thanksgiving? Good question. It really depends. Canadians are very diverse, but I can share my family's traditions. My family shares a special meal. We make special foods. The meat eaters eat turkey. The vegetarians eat tofu or stuffed squash. We eat mashed potatoes with gravy. We eat stuffing. We eat pumpkin pie with whipped cream for dessert. Sometimes we eat too much. So my family also has a tradition that I don't know if anybody else in Canada does. So this is the Webster Nichols family tradition. At Thanksgiving, we buy a box of chocolates. And when we're all done eating and we've had dessert, we pass the box of chocolates around and everybody says one thing they are thankful for, and then they get a chocolate. This Thanksgiving, I am thankful for my beautiful children, Alexander and Zoe. They are smart, kind, and resilient. What are you thankful for? I want to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. Thanks for learning with me. We'll see you next time. If you'd like more free learning resources, subscribe to my YouTube channel, My Canadian English. And remember to give this video a thumbs up.